Sure.
No question. Uh, Chen Tong just come in. Can follow or not? Okay, can. Okay, right. Now, here I say this formula that is given to you uh, that helps you to integrate a a term involving x, and it is mentioned here that a is a constant. Never mind, you have seen so many examples. A is a constant. Then n is a real number, so this n here can be 3, can be -2, can be 3 over 2. So n is a real number, you know. But why is it that they say n is not equal to -1? When n equals to -1, what will happen? Can anyone tell me? When n is -1, can you still integrate like this?
No.
No, you cannot integrate. And they are not going to ask you in the exam to integrate n equals to -1. Why? Because you take n equal to -1, you must add 1 there. -1 plus 1 is what? 0. So the new index is 0, and you have to divide by 0. When you divide by 0, there is undefined. Undefined. Now, to tell you what actually happened is like this. When you want to integrate x about -1 dx, or you want to integrate 1 over x dx, the actual answer is log x plus c. You remember the form 4 you learned about logarithm? Yes. So you have to, the answer is log x. But this log x here is not the common log that you do. The log x here is actually log base e. So all these things you don't have to know. You don't have to, unless you go to form 6, you go to college, then only you learn. Oh, integrate x to the power -1 is actually log x. And this log is this type of log. They call it natural log. The log that is given in your calculator, there are two types. You look at the calculator there. One is the log and another one is the ln. The button is here. Here. Can you see? You look at the video, my face there, you look there. There's one button called log, there's one called ln, right? So this is not the log. This type of log is the ln, okay? Right. So and you're not going to study this, but bear in mind you cannot integrate when n equals to -1. Okay, now? Okay. Any question on these three
Okay,
types?
teacher.
No question. No question, then we proceed. Our special case. What do you mean by special case? So I'm going to show you. Now, when you integrate a number, there's no x there, man. There's no x. You integrate a number, what are you going to get? Okay, integrate k dx. What do you mean by integrate k dx? Okay, integrate k dx, where k is a constant. Constant means it's a number. Okay, now it's something like that. If I want to integrate 6 with respect to x, the answer is 6x plus c. Answer is 6x plus c, right? Although there is no x here, it means that x to the power 0. Can we integrate x to the power 0? Yes. X to the power -1 you cannot integrate, but x to the power 0 you can integrate. X to the power 0 integrate is x to the power 1. So that's why we get 6x here. 6x, integrate 6 becomes 6x plus c. So in general, when you want to integrate k, which is a certain number, with respect to x, the answer is kx plus c. Any question?
Teacher.
Yes.
So it means if the question uh don't have the power, means the answer is usually kx plus c. Yeah.
If it is a number, if you integrate a number, then it is kx plus c. If there's no x there, then it becomes the x. If there's nothing there, then becomes c. One more, I show you.
I don't understand.
Okay. Now let's say you integrate negative 1.5. There's no x there. You see, normally when we integrate, there's an x there, no? Right, no? Here, you look here. There's an x here. But this one, there is just a number only, no x. You want to integrate a number with respect to x. Then you put that number there, then you add the x plus c. Is this okay? There's a
Okay,
number.
teacher.
There's a number here. You want to integrate with respect to x. It is a number that you want to integrate. It is not the x that you want to integrate. You just integrate a number. So the number becomes the number multiplied with x. Okay. Another example. Oh, the other day I told you integrate dx is what? Integrate dx is what? There's no number here either. No number means the number is 1. Okay, they are not going to tell you, hey, no number means the number is 1. They're not going to tell you. So you have to integrate 1 with respect to x. Then it will be 1x lah. 1x plus c. Is this okay? Any question?
No, teacher.
No. No, no, then we go on. What happens if I integrate 5 over 4? It's just a number, there's no x there. 5 over 4 with respect to x. So what's the answer? 5 over 4x plus c. Okay. Finally, if you want to integrate 0 with respect to x, then the answer is c. Where is this integrate 0 with respect to x? It is somewhere here inside the question. There's nothing here, no? There's nothing here. That means you integrate 0. That's how you get the c there. Any question?
No, teacher.
No. Okay. Okay, for the what Chen Tong came in just now, indefinite integral means this one. Right? Definite integral means you have the upper limit and lower limit.